The purpose of this video is to discuss beta oxidation. Beta oxidation here is going to be the breakdown of fatty acid. So breakdown of fatty acids to make energy. Now, one thing to note, it's pretty simple. Once you have absorbed, so into the cell here, so if this is our GI tract, fatty acid here, and to get inside the cell, so here's our cell, fatty acid enters, and here we are going to have to do a couple of different steps, because in order to get it inside the mitochondria here, so this is our mitochondria, which is where all that powerhouse happens, we have to have a shuttle. So fatty acid is basically going to be disguised as this shuttle, and it's called the carnitine shuttle. So this carnitine shuttle allows fatty acids to enter inside that mitochondria. Now this carnitine shuttle does require pantothenic acid, So pantothenic acid, if you recall, this was a vitamin during Unit 3 that you needed to know, and this is why. So what happens here is the shuttle will go and actually drop off that fatty acid inside of the mitochondria. I like to think about it as a school kid. So what happens here is going to be, in order for the fatty acid to get onto this carnitine shuttle, it has to be dressed in its uniform, and it's going to go into school here because it's able to get on that school bus. So that is an example there of an analogy that you can use to remember. Once the fatty acid is inside the mitochondria, we can convert it to acetyl-CoA, and acetyl-CoA then goes through the Krebs cycle. So here's our Krebs cycle, and then electron transport chain to then produce ATP. So that powerhouse, that is the ticket that we want. That is our energy.